Hey, welcome back. This one's a cool one from my grandfather's collection. It's an LF&C manufacturer, and the brand is Universal. Really nice. I don't know what you call this. Hunter, maybe. I'm sorry, I haven't looked at my notes in a while, but everything on here looks real nice. These, I believe, these are composite handles here, man-made synthetic, but minimum of tarnishing. I polished this up as best I could. You can see it's got a lock, so it's a lock back folding pocket knife. This one actually still has the etching on it. It says Universal, so that is your Universal brand from LF&C. It has a model number there that I haven't really been able to find. But this is a really nice, great knife. One of the nicer ones from LF&C. My grandfather had an awful lot of these Universal LF&C pocket knives. This is the first lockback one, I believe, that I have come across. Yeah, it's just it's in pretty good shape. Everything works nicely. A bit of wobble, but it's not surprising at all. Yeah, you push this down, close that up. Has a pretty good snap to it. So yeah, I like this. Really good. Different. It's different. Universal. Most of the Universals that have come across my grandfather's collection are the typical pocket knife variant. So this is kind of new and in really good shape. It doesn't have the it's got some cleaning lines on it, but it isn't completely sanded off like some of these knives that have been coming through. So that's a cool one. I just hope you like that. And see you on the next one.